haven't arrived in the UK yet, though I did have a UK passport. So
Okay.
yeah, yeah, I think we're live now. So
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
Let's go together with Ellen. Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Why
I'm
not?
19 years here. I've been here in UK for 19 years on my own.
Wow, 19 years. So what made
Mm-hmm.
you decide to go to the UK and work there?
Maybe it's a greener pasture, and then I want to be more independent. I've learned a lot in life, talaga. Grabe. Being on
Yes.
your own,
Yeah.
wow,
And
very
so
challenging.
do you plan to stay there for
I
good?
know. No.
Hindi na.
I got dual passport na. I got dual passport. I want to stay back home.
That's why we're learning the freelance because we're
Yeah.
we want to quit our corporate world.
That's my long-term plan. And
Yes.
because I'm a solo traveler. I'm a solo traveler.
Mm-hmm.
So, gusto ko anytime, anywhere, I can bring this job.
And as long as you have a laptop with you, and a good internet
Correct.
connection, yeah, I
Wow,
agree.
I love it, guys. Yeah, that's my dream too.
All right, sige. I think let's start by introducing ourselves. Of course, getting to know each other and really explaining what's your work experience, what do we expect from this, short, casual webinar. And I think we can start with Ma'am Ellen. Ayan. And then followed
Okay,
by
so
Ate Susan. Yeah.
good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So, my name is Ellen. I'm here in London, UK. I've been here for 19 years on my own. At the moment, I'm working as a nursing assistant in the hospital and at the same time, private care or part-time. But I got work experience, a managerial aspect, managerial field. I used to be a manager in Jollibee for 8 years sa Philippines. And
Okay.
then I came here as a work permit holder, a shift manager of McDonald's UK. And then napunta ako sa caring. After ko makuha yung citizenship ko, I said I'm gonna try caring job kasi yung demand of caring work, caring jobs in UK is very high. And I'm the
Yes.
eldest, the breadwinner of my family at that time. I'm helping my sister financially in her medical school. So I
Okay.
don't have choice. Kasi even if I'm working as a shift manager, my God, yung sahod is not that, enough.
Enough. Yeah.
So, kailangan kong mag-work ng extra. So, napunta ako sa caring. Pero hindi ako nurse sa Pilipinas. I'm registered nutritionist dietitian. But then, after makagraduate sa university, nag-end up ako sa Jollibee. Kasi yun talaga yung gusto ko
Yes.
sa Jollibee, working as a manager. So, ayun, nung nagkaroon na ako rin sa makapa ng papers at malaya na ako sa work sa employer ko, nag-try ako sa cleaning job, which is okay naman. I'm grateful, but until now, I'm not that happy and fulfilled sa career na gusto
Career.
ko kasi hindi ko linya ang caring. But I'm really grateful kasi during pandemic time, ito lang ang may work. Ang trabaho
Yes.
is sa caring, sa caring.
Correct.
So, pero nandun pa rin yung desire ko na makuha ko yung maging entrepreneur on food business kasi yun yung linya ko. I tried to study here as a masteral sa nutrition. Actually, it's supposed to be 3 years course, but then I was not able to finish the whole 3 years, kundi 1 year lang.
Yeah.
Then nagpapaaral ako ng sister ko ng medicine. So, I need to give way. So, thank God, doktor na siya ngayon. So, okay na. That's why I'm doing freelance na. I'm not doing permanent job na anywhere. I'm only a freelance nursing assistant and freelance part-time caregiver.
Yeah.
That's why I'm trying on my own, anytime, anywhere. As long as I got budget, I can travel.
So you
So, may good
started,
deal.
what year did you start freelancing, Ma'am Ellen?
Right? What yung sister ko, 2014, I think. I resigned as a permanent staff na sa hospital.
Okay.
2014. Ay, grabe. As soon as natapos siya, resigned ako, umuwi ako ng Pilipinas for 2 months kahit wala ako enough money. I just want to be free, just want to rest. And then when I came back, nag-start na ako mag-freelance. But then, noong 2023, nag-start ako mag-permanent ulit for a year.
Okay.
Sa Cleveland Clinic Hospital. I don't have any intention to apply as a permanent. I'm just curious kasi it's a new hospital eh.
Yeah.
Cleveland is originally from US. And then my brother, who is a nurse working in Abu Dhabi, meron palang Cleveland, Dubai. And then isang basa ko, sabi ko, may nakita ko sa Central London,
Yeah.
may ginagawa Cleveland Hospital. Sabi ko, try ko mag-apply. And then, luckily, nakuha ko, nakapasok ako.
Thank
But
you,
I'm really
Lord.
grateful kasi, yeah, naoperahan ako ng fibroids for free.
Wow.
Kasi I have a bleeding problem. So, may fibroids ako. Kasi kapag, dito naman, yung health system is free.
Yes.
Kaso, it will take time. Yung quality ng care is wala na. So, hindi talaga rin maganda. So, buti na lang, talagang God is good. Opera ako. After a year, nag-resign na ako, back to freelance only ako. So, I'm working in the hospital, private hospital again. London Clinic na. And then, sa St. John St. Elizabeth's, both private hospital. And then, freelance lang na. Kasi yung friend ko, like, at the moment, nasa Pilipinas. So, ako nagko-cover sa kanya, sa matanda niya. Look after ako, just for 1 month lang.
Yeah.
So, ganun lang. Gusto ko yung lang, I want my freedom sa time and hopefully financially free
Yes.
soon.
And you
So,
are
I
in
know
the
that
right
I-
place. We are going to discuss that in a few. So, kahit sino naman, lahat naman tayo, we want financial stability. We want financial freedom. And, I'm hoping that, this community that we're starting really small at the moment will grow and help more people in the future. So, yes. Anything else,
Yun
Ma'am
lang.
Ellen? Yeah.
So, yun, I think regardless of age, yun yung big challenge sa akin ngayon.
Yeah.
Is, I think, I still have a potential. Matututunan ko to. I mean, everything is, matututunan naman lahat ng bagay.
Oo.
So, we'll see. Because nag-study ako ng VA for 3 consecutive weeks. Yung sa community ni, actually, from community ng Chinkitan, na-meet ko yung si Russ Huso. I attended Discovery last January. And then from Russ Huso, na-meet ko yung may-ari ng isang VA agency.
Yes.
And then nag-offer to start ng short courses lang.
Yeah.
So, sinaga ako yun for 3 consecutive weeks. Kasi nasa US ako noon, nag-babysit ako for a month. So, 2 o'clock in the morning, gising na ako doon, tapos yung oras sa Pilipinas.
Magkaiba yung time zone.
Sinaga ako sa decided. Pero na-refresh naman ako kahit paano. But then, sabi nila, tawagan kami para sa, ang tawag nito, yung, parang, apprenticeship, pero hindi na kami kinontak eh.
Internship. Parang ganun.
So,
Yeah.
pero na-refresh ako kahit paano, pero dapat hindi ako mag-stop doon kasi kailangan dire-diretso doon.
Yes.
Medyo madami kasi ako travel this year. Busy talaga. So, kaya next year, less gala na talaga. Kailangan ko
Less gala.
Kailangan kong prioritize yung sa VA studies ko. Kasi otherwise, hindi ko makukuha yung desire ko na maging financially free.
Yes.
One at a time. So, yun. So, we'll
One
see.
at a
Hopefully,
time.
nung pinanggit sa akin niya, Susan na-meet ka nga daw niya.
Yes.
We're both very interested na mag-join sa VA talaga.
Nagchikahan na kami niya ni Ate
Oo.
Susan. Yeah.
Hopefully pa tayo sa Japan. Sa Osaka naman. Kasi kapunta na ako sa Tokyo. Osaka naman tayo.
Yes. All right. Thank you so much for that
Ah.
wonderful introduction, Ma'am Ellen. It's nice to meet you again. Let's move on to Ma'am Susan. Take it away po.
Afternoon, kung saan man kayo. My name is Susan and I'm living here in Japan for 25 years. More than, yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
Tagal na.
3 children, they're adult already. That's why I'm tired, same like with you guys. I'm tired, almost nandun ako sa corporate world talaga. And now, malalaki na yung they are adult already, my children. That's why I want to, I want to focus. Gusto ko dito na lang ako sa bahay.
Yeah.
Dito na lang ako. I want to clean. I want to live here in my house because as of now, because I'm teaching kindergarten,
Okay.
and nandun ako malayo dito, 1 hour to 2 hours from here. Nag-rent ako ng apartment, so nandun ako pag weekdays.
Yes.
So pag umuwi ako every Saturday and Sunday, nandito ako sa bahay. Kaya, namimiss ko yung family ko. Ay, gusto ko na lang dito na lang ako. Ayoko na yung remote. Gusto ko dito na lang ako. May ako peace of mind.
Yeah.
Dito na ako sa bahay. And then mag-meditate and I do I want to do what I want. Gusto ko mag-exercise. Yung freedom talaga.
Yeah.
That's why sabi ko, I have to try best. And I know that you are here, guys, and I know that I can do it. Even though it's I have no may freelance, wala pa akong I have no experience yet because nandun nga ako sa corporate world. So,
Yes.
that's it. So, thank you so much. I hope that mag-grow tayo lahat dito. Thank
Yes,
you.
kaya pa natin to, sis. Matanda pa kayo, di ba? O, sige. O, kaya
At saka
natin
wala
yan.
sa ano yan, wala sa age yan. It's all about what you can deliver, what you can offer for your clients.
Yeah, but
All in the mindset.
And it's all in the mindset. That is correct po.
Positive affirmation.
Ayun. Nandito talaga tayo sa right circle. So thank you so much to the both of you, Ma'am Ellen and Ma'am Susan, for joining, and thank you for your time today. Siguro just a little bit about myself. Again, my name's Crystal. You can call me Chris or Crystal. I don't mind. I have been freelancing for about over 2 to 3 years now. And I must say that, the positive thing about it is it's such a privilege to work from home, having, kids at home. You get to spend time with them. You get to look after them rather than having to commute to go to the office. Alam mo yun, magastos pa sa pamasahe and very stressful. And it's just, once you get to start working remotely, ayaw mo nang bumalik. I mean, for me, ayaw mo nang bumalik. So, that's the story. And then, of course, during my freelancing journey, meron talaga mga challenging moments na masasabi
Yeah.
kong hindi mo rin makakalimutan. For example, you will be laid off. Or the next thing you know, you did well from yesterday, you got commended from your client. Then after a week, Diyos ko po, masasabi mo na lang na natanggalan ka na ng access. It didn't happen to me personally, but there's a lot of stories like that sa mga aspiring VAs or yung mga matatagal na rin sa industry. So, what I can say is just be positive, keep going, and don't quit. Never quit. You must always keep going and focus on one to two niches, if as much as possible. Because if you're doing everything at the same time, you won't be able to deliver. You will procrastinate. You will not give 100% of your productivity. So focus on 1 to 2 in the beginning, and then we can progress after that. Okay.
Yes,
So
correct.
yeah, so we won't be having like a formal webinar, I would say, but siguro in time. But yeah, we want, again, our goal is to unlock freedom, flexibility, and financial growth. That's the number one. But I'd like to ask the two of you, anyone could go first. What is freelancing for you?
Freelance. Okay.
Yeah, and what's your expectations after this short webinar? Yeah. Sige, we'll start with Ma'am Ellen.
Sa akin na. So, freelancing for me is, you have the freedom on anything. Your time, and then, actually it follows it. Start from, from your time. Kasi kapag yung time mo is well managed, it will follow yung finances mo in other aspects of your life. Let's say your health and physical well-being, everything. Kasi at the moment, I'm on that stage na kasi I'm single, di ba? I don't have
Yeah.
any commitment. So, and then nang nasa transition na ako, I'm on my perimenopausal stage. So, I'm already aware on what to do. It's just that at the moment, I'm on the process of execution and on application of what I unlock dun sa mga awareness ko.
Yes.
Sa mga limiting beliefs ko, actually, I'm developing a new habit. I develop a new habit, good habit, yung pag-exercise ko. Like this morning, 15 minutes ako, as soon as I woke up at 5 a.m., nag-exercise. Kasi may pinapalo ako sa YouTube na 15 minutes exercise. Kasi medyo na-anxious ako lately kasi yung belly ko. Kasi yung diba, pero may repose eh. So I can control yung fat. Sabi ko, hindi pwede to. Ayoko. I want to be good. I want to feel good. Kasi wala akong anak. Tapos ayoko gumukulo siya. Ayoko I want to age gracefully. Maarte ko eh, diba? So yun. So kailangan talaga, kasi it will follow kapag may, yung may freedom ka sa time, yung may time ka for your physical, activity, more time ka sa, yung watch yung health mo, yung diet mo, tapos yung other hobbies mo. Ako kasi I like walking sa park, an hour to walk ako. I love to be in nature, surrounded by trees. I'm a nature lover. I like traveling as well. I'm a solo traveler. I'm doing DIY. So, ayun, lahat, yun nga eh. So, gusto ko yung at least lang, nag-iiba na yung life perspective ko, iba-iba na yung needs natin.
Yes.
Iba yung needs ng single, iba yung needs ng may anak.
Right.
So, and bawat stages of life, iba-iba talaga yung needs. Ang dami kong realization at the moment. I'm nearly, one more year, 50 na ako next year, diba? So, expectation ko is, I need to learn how to be more positive, kasi before I used to be negative lagi, negative thinker. Tapos to value my life, myself, and yung to live with a purpose.
Yeah.
Kasi alam mo yung kailangan ko rin lahat. I'm spiritually growing. I must say, I'm spiritually growing because for the past 4 years, I attended this Christ Commission Fellowship. No one invited me for this CCF, Christ Commission Fellowship. It was 2021. Nakita ko lang sa social media. Tapos, pinanood ko lang. Sabi ko, may something nakakaiba. Hanggang dun lang. Hanggang nag-connect ako sa Pilipinas. Kasi akala ko, dun lang talaga sa Christ Commission Fellowship. Yung pala, meron sa London.
Yeah.
So, attend ako sa church nila. Just attend ako mamaya. Alam mo, yung life verse ko nga, seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be added unto you. And it really manifests now. Totoo.
Yeah.
I got my vision board as well. For the past few years, I've been doing that, and it really manifests. I got it. So sabi ko talagang dapat dire-diretso lang, positive affirmation, look after yourself, and then just, keep on growing and learning in life.
Really invest in yourself, diba?
Yeah, totoo. Saka you learn how to adopt and respond. Kasi at the moment, nasa digital world na tayo, yan yung one thing na kinonsider ko. Sabi ko, kaya ko pa to kasi nasa digital world na tayo eh. Kailangan kong maka-adapt. Before, I don't use smartphone. Pero napunta ako sa UK, I need to kasi need ko na siya.
Correct.
Smartphone. So, kailangan maraming changes eh. Yung
Sobra.
change, sabi ng ang permanent lang sa mundo is change. So, everything, lahat nag-change. Sa physiological ko, yung I got muscle body pain na ngayon. That's at my
Lahat.
age. Natural aging process na ako. And I can control it. But I'm really thankful I don't have any maintenance.
Very good.
Just vitamins and supplements. Just try to keep myself active. Kasi it goes hand in hand. Di ba nutritionist ako? So, hindi ko man may apply sa ibang tao, at least sa sarili ko.
Yes.
And I'm really thankful. My only operation is yung fibroid. So, and it's, I think, maybe because of my age, perimenopause, hormonal imbalance. So, I'm really grateful. So, yun lang. I'm expecting ako na matututunan ko rin to. Slowly but surely, I know, nandun na ako, malapit na. I'm surrounded with the good people, with the right person, and I know I can do it. You'll see.
Ang galing, ang galing. That was very, very positive. Thank you so much for sharing, Ma'am Ellen. I can see how positive you are. It all starts with the way of thinking, your mindset, and then everything will follow. And I believe this was one of our discussions during our facilitation or group sessions, Ma'am Susan, at that time with Sir Chinkitan. So I think you're on the right track already, Ma'am Ellen. All we need to do is just start on execution na lang. So, I guess my question here is, do you know your niche already? Do you know what
At the
skills you can offer?
Yeah. Like I said before, di ba? Passion, piece of food. Eventually, I want to put up a food business back home. Gusto na ako magre-retire. I actually, meron lang akong pera nung before, mag-practice ako ng Jollibee. Kasi I know how to manage na. But then, it's so much eh. At the moment, because I love traveling, I'm doing my DIY travel itinerary, whatever.
Yeah.
So, and that's my passion. And then another thing is, ano pa ba? Yung, ano pa ba? Gusto medyo more organized ako when it comes to, actually, got my last meal na, yung mga ganon, is,
Organized, yeah.
Oo, pero, inconsistent ako eh. So, hanggang meron ako tools. Pero yun na, procrastination pa rin. So, slowly but surely, developing good habit. Yeah, basta marami akong gusto pang i-try. Marami pa gusto pang gawin. Mga simple na bagay lang. Na alam kong papasya sa akin. Gusto ko yun. Kaya gusto ko ng freedom.
Ayan. Speaking of
Diba?
freedom. Okay. Thank you so much, Ma'am Helen. Just going back to my question earlier, I was referring to the skills that we
Sorry.
can offer to clients. Yes. What
If
do you think,
ano,
Mike, you
I
can
mean,
offer? Yeah.
travel planner. Kasi last 2023, I was challenged by my uncle. I did 10 countries in 15 cities in 3 weeks in Europe.
Wow.
And then this year, may September, alis ulit kami ng uncle ko. 6 countries, 8 cities or 9 cities.
Mm.
Because nga, he knew na I'm traveling on my own sa Europe eh.
Yeah.
So, he will pay everything naman. But then I don't have any income kasi 3 weeks ako, 1 month ako walang work, diba?
Okay.
So, kaya lately I'm doing overtime. Though he's gonna pay all expenses, kasi retiring na siya this year, nag-retire na siya sa 7. So, yun, kasi alam nila, nagsasolo na traveler ako, alam, medyo kabisado ko na yun sa Europe. So sabi ko, actually naisip ko na yun, sabi ko, try ko kaya, kasi may friends din ako from US or, kasi nag-visit dito, bakit di mo kayo mag-vlog or gawa ng, travel planner, sabi ko, hindi ako. Pero before pa bago ko mag-work sa abroad, sa Pilipinas pa lang, nag-travel na ako, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, and Asian countries, pero hindi on my own, family and friends.
With family and friends. Yeah.
Oo. Yun, so besides, pero sabi ko, nung nandito na ako, na-challenge ako, sabi ko, dito 40th birthday ko, sabi ko, try ko kayo mag-solo. Kasi I like challenging myself, try ko nga. So, nakaya ko naman pala kahit may language barrier. Kasi sa Europa, iba-iba din language, diba?
Yes.
So, kaya ko, hanggang every year, for the past 10 years na, on my own, ako kasi pag birthday ko, gusto ko on my own. Sabi
Okay.
ako kahit saan. Sabi nga baka sa Europa ako, lilibutin ko yan. Hopefully. And then, ngayon, nag-cruise na rin ako. So, by sea, by land, by air, I'm traveling. So, I'm really grateful. So, yeah. I think yun yung ano ko. Tsaka nga, managing gusto ko mag-manage ng sarili kong business. Full business. So, ayun. I think yun nga, more on, organization, yan.
Okay.
I think customer something. Kasi may, na ako eh.
Customer support,
Correct,
virtual
customer
assistant or executive assistant, yes.
Kasi yun din yung minention nung di ba nag-enroll ako ng 3 weeks.
Okay.
Yung assessment niya sa akin for the past 3 weeks na we've been, learning the DA. Sabi niya parang important ko. I don't know. Parang feeling ko din nga. Yun.
Alright.
So, ayun lang.
Okay, on the way na po kami ni Ma'am Susan dyan. Parang na-excite ako sa mga travel. Okay,
And
thank you.
a challenge sa akin, makatravel ako solo sa Pilipinas. At saka sa Asia. Hindi ko pa nagagawa
Asia,
yun.
yeah.
Gusto kong gawin
Hong
yun.
Kong.
Kasi
Have you been to Hong Kong?
Then yung first trip ko, outside UK,
Singapore.
outside
Oh my goodness.
Philippines. I got my list na, mahilig ako
Okay
mag-document.
na. Parang I wanna go travel again na.
Yeah. I like documenting. You know what? I got a photo album It's chronologically arranged since I was a baby up to this moment.
That's
I
really
got
good.
it.
You've
So
got all
soft
the
copy.
memories stocked.
Soft copy and hard copy. I'm not into material stuff, yung mga LV. Ayoko niya kasi sa akin, what makes me happy? Yung memories, yung places na puntahan ko, habang buhay ako, maalala ko yun.
Yeah.
And I can share it to, ayun, I want to inspire other people, lalo yung OFW. Kasi experience ko niya kung gano'ng kahirap mag-work as an OFW.
Yes.
Gusto ko rin, ayun ako, kung alam nila, marami ko namimit ito ng mga single, may edad na, ang po, grabe. Gusto ko ma-inspire din sila kahit pa paano.
Mhm.
Yun. Financial literacy ang kailangan natin.
Parang ang daming masishare ni Ma'am Ellen sa atin, no?
I think so.
Sobra.
Kaya gusto ko ma-inspire yung ibang tao. Kasi alam mo,
Yeah.
yung purpose, I think, sabi ko nga, tapos na ako sa family ko. So I'm now looking forward na ma-help yung other people.
Yeah.
Ma-share yung other blessing. Kasi I got my life personal statement. It was 2021, and I'm on my own, travel ako. Kasi pandemic, diba? So you have got more time to realize, meditate, reflect. Sabi ko, I want to have my own life personal statement. And still there. I got it, oh. Yan, vision board ko. Share ko lang sa inyo. Yan, oh.
Ang taray ng pa-vision board. Gusto ko yan.
Kita ba? Where? Pakita nyo.
Hindi. We can't see it.
I can see it. So, share ko sa inyo. So, yun. Tapos meron akong weekly board na
May planner ka talaga, no? That's good.
sabi ko medyo
Organized. Maganda yan. And
Even
whatever
the
works for
emails,
you, do it.
Even the emails, let's say, kasi meron akong loan sa pag-ibig, so meron ako folder na lahat ng resibo nandun, electronic, everything, insurance, gano'n.
That's good. Really organizing stuff. And, kapag organized ka talaga as a person, even at home, if you organize yourself, at the morning pa lang, everything will follow.
Or
Ganun
tsaka
siya.
yung time, medyo ako sa time. Hindi ako Filipino time. Talaga ako sa time. Totoo.
Talagang sharp. Na-adapt mo na
Yeah.
yung yeah.
Kahit yung mag-minute lang, not only sa work, pati yung mag-minute up lang sa friends, ayoko ng
Late.
Ayoko na kasi nag-effort ako, ayoko din.
Yes. Yung respect the time of each
Tsaka yung
individual.
deadlines,
Correct.
siguro, ayoko. Kasi mga reports, ayoko na. Kahit yung college, pag study ako, ayoko, nagkakram ako. Gusto ko ahead of time, nag-aaral na ako. Mga ganun, basta lagi
Yes.
advance. Kaya ang dami ko nag-iisip, na-overwhelm ako.
Yeah.
Yun.
Agree.
yun lang.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Ellen. What about Susan? Parang na speechless. Parang okay ka lang ba dyan?
Sorry. Maganda ako.
Sige, may nanalo na.
May nanalo na. Uwi na tayo.
May nanalo na. Grabe naman yung travel. Grabe
Oo.
naman.
You can do it too. You can, I'm on my budget lang ha. Nagba-budget lang ako ha.
Yes.
Hindi ako yung mayaman or mapera. Because I'm really value the money. I'm not,
Yes.
ang ating, you need to be practical.
Correct.
Manifest ko na yun. Manifest ko na yun.
Okay, sige. So, Ma'am Susan, just a little bit about where are you at right now pagdating sa freelancing? Kasi si Ma'am Ellen, she already gone through some training, I think a 3-week training already. All she needs to do is to start execution na. And she knows what to offer, what skills she has to offer to the clients. Could you share what you can offer for the clients, and also where are you at the moment? Which areas do you need help with?
Sound.
Only focus on the community of, same with Ellen, the community with Coach Ross, the 4 a.m. meditation, 5 a.m. synthesis. And I love being a facilitator there, and being a facilitator with Coach Chinky. So that's my routine. That's
Yeah.
me, because I love serving. I love to contribute. I love to
Serving, yeah.
give back value.
Mm-hmm.
But that is my yesterday I facilitated, and then yun dun umiikot yung ko ngayon as of now. Basta giving value and
Helping
then sharing.
others.
yes, giving, sharing, contribute. Yun na nakafocus. And then, ang dami kong, before that, ang dami kong mga pinasukan. Nasa corporate world talaga ako. Hindi pa, kaya nga gusto ko, I want to try talaga. And then, ang dami kong pinasukan business while doing my rat race.
Yeah.
After rat race, side hustle. Ang dami kong ginagawang mga pinasukan. Meron akong travel agency, meron akong financial yung mga ganon yun mga financial educator.
Yes.
And then yes, kaya nga napasok din ako sa world ni Coach Chinky kasi about din nga. And then while doing meditating,
Mhm.
the alignment, parang naiba yung alignment ko kasi nasa world nga ako ngayon ng coaching of life transformation and yun, kaya sabi ko, nakafocus talaga ako sa coaching, about the life coaching.
Okay.
Mm-mm. Kasi nga, hindi naman sa speech, dun sa tinuturo ni Coach Chinky na sa communications, if you want to be a good speaker, you have to be, dun, nagpo-focus din ako. At saka dun sa sinabi mo, Coach Crystal, na sinabi mo na you have to search in YouTube about the freelance, or about, dun nagpo-focus din ako
Very
sa
good.
mga learning.
Yeah.
Yeah, so,
Kasi, di ba, if you would agree, one of the qualities of a great virtual assistant is to really be resourceful. Kasi hindi lahat ng clients will invest their time to teach you, to train you. Hindi ganun. Hindi siya katulad sa BPO or sa call center that you'd go under training of every process step by step. But here, if you don't know the answer to a simple instruction, then we have ChatGPT, we have all of these AIs, we have Gemini, we have all of the
Yeah.
free online available resources, YouTube, right? Ang dami. Facebook
Yun
groups.
nga, yung mga tools, nakaka-overwhelm. Kasi
Yeah.
ako, back home, I'm using PowerPoint, Excel, Word, yung basic lang.
Right.
But now, ang dami ng tools.
Sobra.
Grabe, I got Canva, pero basic lang din yung alam ko. Hindi pa masyadong explore. I'm
Yes.
trying slowly na maka-adapt doon sa mga, kasi eventually kailangan natin yan as
Yeah.
an EA.
Yes.
So, yun. Yung mga tools na yan. Though I know how yung basic na, computer, internet. Kasi na, before I used to do business plans, Jollibee.
Mm.
Kailangan yun
Yeah.
So, yeah, kailangan talaga mag-grow every day.
Every day.
Bag.
Sobra. Now that ang daming, ang daming changes, we also need to adapt to that. And gawan talaga ng paraan. There's always a way. Sabi nga nila, diba, kapag gusto, may paraan. Kapag ayaw, may dahilan. So,
Fight lang talaga.
and if you really want to grow as, as a virtual assistant and become a successful freelancer, then you need to put in the effort, the extra effort talaga. And not every, freelancing is not for everybody, if you could agree. Meron tayong we can be so good in the beginning, but then our progress in the middle can stop. Like, we get exhausted, we get drained. But it's all about consistency, commitment, and your dedication. So, okay. Again, benefits of freelancing is the flexibility. There's so many opportunities online right now. Of course, income potential, hindi siya limited. And then, upskilling, skill development. Hindi mo lang natututunan yung isang skill, but by, as you progress, clients will also, have the time to teach you about a specific software or a CRM. And hindi mo siya magagamit lang sa work na yon. Remember, you can have more than one client. So you can use that knowledge or skill dun sa second client, third client, fourth client mo.
Yeah.
Until you can really, use that. let's talk about the challenges. Sorry, go ahead, Ellen.
You got your own agency na ba? VA agency. May,
I have thought about it like a long time ago. Hindi naman long time ago, but like a few years back. But I haven't tried to take that step yet. It was more of just grinding and just taking more experience. Pero possible po yan, no? Wala naman siguro
ang dami
masama.
na. Dami ko na panood.
Ang dami. Yeah.
Bertulfo. And then yung
Yeah.
nandito from sa Discovery. Bata pa rin siya, mga kasi ilan siguro.
But she's
Yung lalaki, yung natanan ko, nung Discovery,
Oh, yeah?
yung Rasuson, nandito yung owner ng VA agency doon.
Yeah.
Bata pa rin siya. Iba yung generation na talaga ngayon.
Grabe, yeah.
Ano eh.
wala sa edad, as long as you're able to perform and you know the ins and outs, you can start already. So yeah, if that's if kasi it depends on your preference. If you have an entrepreneurial mindset, then you can start doing a VA agency, a business as well. If you are someone who just wants to earn for just a few years and then put up a business on the side, then you can earn from your freelancing gigs or works, diba? So there's all sorts of, we have a lot of options.
Kasi malaking opportunity kahit dito sa UK nakita ko kasi join ako sa VA group ng UK.
Oo.
And then may nagpa-flash doon kasi for a couple of hours, part-time lang.
Yeah.
Set up ka lang ng meeting nila, mag-assist ka lang sa, I think, Google Meet or Facebook something. Basta meeting, ikaw lang yung mag-organize. And it's a good money.
Yeah.
So,
Just
dito grabe ka.
Yeah, just by thinking that you're just, let's say, you're doing or assisting minutes of meeting for your client, you will get paid, for the effort that you put in, the results that you put in. It's all about how you can help the client. It's not about how good you are at with something, but whatever problem the client's business have, as long as you solve that, you deliver results, that's what they want. Kasi you can be kind, you can be great as a person, as a virtual assistant to them. But,
Kasi di ba lahat ng mga clients ng mga VA sa Pilipinas, more from UK, US, Australia,
Ay, oo.
sabi ko, kaya naman-motivate ako, susubukan ko talaga to. Kasi nandito na ako eh.
yes.
Diba?
Yeah.
Advantage na ako eh. Kailangan ko lang i-push pa ng sobra. I mean, kailangan ko talaga extra effort.
Start on
I need
it.
time.
Right.
Kasi I'm only looking forward na for the meantime, part-time lang. Kasi habang ko pa, I need to equip myself eh. Konti-unti, slowly but surely. Kasi hindi ko naman ako pwede mag-shift ng full-time. Kasi I need to pay my bills. Dito sa UK, mahal sa London. So, alam mo, eventually, dun na ako papunta. Eventually, gusto ko mag-full-time dito. Pero unti-unti lang. Kasi hindi ko kaya, mag-isa lang ako dito. Meron ako din sa binabayaran pa. So, yun.
So you want to start part-time then? Yeah.
At
So,
the moment,
yeah. So that's all up to our personal choice. Pwede kang mag-part-time muna para hindi naman tayo mabigla. Or you can start 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week, right? It depends kasi sa pangangailangan mo.
Oo,
or-
depende.
Yeah.
Ako for meantime lang muna. Kasi po, nagamay ko na po, nakuha ka ng routine. Ay, pag masasabi, kailangan ko ng magta-travel lang ako while working while traveling. Kasi long-term plan ko na, bukod sa business, makagamit ko to. Kasi gusto ko lang magkaroon ng online business,
Right.
e-commerce, at the same time, physical business, which is my passion is food. Ay mag-franchise ako ng, let's say, kiosk sa Pilipinas. Doon kaya kong mag-put up from the scratch ng sarili kong business kasi matatagalan, mahirap eh. So,
Yes.
mag-franchise na lang ako. Yung maliit lang, whatever, by the time na ready na ako, hindi ko alam kung ano yung klase na yun. Basta gusto ko food cart or something. Para, I want to keep myself busy. Kasi,
Productive.
lang ako. So, ganun lang ang gusto ko. Tapos, yun nga, kasi online and physical business, so never knows what's gonna happen the following day or, couple of years from now.
Yeah.
So, dahil masagana pa rin iba ka, physical business and then online. Tapos nila ko sa bahay kubo ko sa farm. Tapos may wifi. O, di ba? Simple living. Yun na gusto ko.
So, yeah, which leads us to talagang importante na magkaroon ng set your goals first for the next 5 years, for the next 10 years. Where do you see yourself? Do you see yourself as a business owner? Do you still see yourself in the next 3 years freelancing? Where? So that you know where you're headed. Alam mo na yung mga steps na gagawin mo from today. And you shouldn't,
Actually,
it's all in the mind, diba? You shouldn't think na, sa ano ko na lang gagawin yan. Start today. Start now. Kahit
Correct.
baby steps.
Kasi I'm doing freelancing na eh. Pero, hey, job. Diba, I can manage my own time na.
Yeah.
For the past couple of years. So, gusto ko naman, may iba naman. As a virtual assistant, sa digital world naman, gusto ko na freelance.
See? So, it's good to know that you know what you want to yourself, and then you take action from there.
Kasi nangyayari na nag-manifest na, di ba nga yan? Kahit kailan ko gusto mo yung Pilipinas, na mag-travel, nagagawa ko naman eh. Nasa akin, kasi ako nag-choose ng, ng time ko, ng shift ko. Yun lang yung, benefit to pagka freelance ka. Ang disadvantage naman nun, wala kang, yung health benefits. Kasi kapag permanent staff na
yeah.
kagaya na nag-Cleveland ako for a year. Pero hindi ako masaya, parang ayoko nakatali. Kasi pag mag-travel ka o mag-holiday ka, kailangan kapalan sa manager mo and there's no guarantee kung papayagan ka o hindi. Ayoko, gusto ko at my age, pag gusto ko. Diba? So, ganon.
Yeah.
Minsan, pag may nakita akong deal online, punta ako sa Paris. Kasi, sayang yung offer, gano'n eh. Pero ngayon, babawasan ko na yon. Kasi nga, kailangan bawasan ko. Balance ko yung pagka-travel ko. Kasi sobra ako this year. Para makapagbigay ko maraming time mag-aral.
Ayun.
Kailangan balancing din. Ako.
Balance
Kasi
is
sponsor naman
everything.
sa akin eh. Sponsor yung uncle ko. Pagka magtuturo kami sa Europa, pag nasa US ako, sponsor din. Yung lang, yung ticket ko sa US din. Pero sa Euro, lahat, ng uncle ko. So, I'm really blessed lang.
Yeah.
O, diba?
That's
Nakaka-share ako kasi alam nila, tayo ka mag-travel na solo. So, yeah, I'm confident naman. O, di yun, nakalibre ako.
Okay.
Pangalan
May
ko.
nanalo na, Ma'am Susan, no? May nanalo na.
Oo nga eh.
Kaya din yan. Kami pa gusto.
Yes.
Hindi kasi ako din, mag-ask lang ako ng question
Yeah.
Miss Crystal.
No
Kasi-
problem.
Kasi nga, nasa corporate world nga ako, for how many, for 2 decades more than, and then, mag-freelance, ang dami kong mga side hustles. So, example, pag tumigil ako dun sa corporate world ko, and then, nag-focus ako dun sa travel agency ko, dun sa financial international marketing group ko, and then ang dami kong mga ganong business. So, matatawag din yan pag mag-focus ako dun na freelance, di ba?
Yes, yes. Absolutely.
Eh, yun, gusto ko nga mag-focus na lang ako doon sa business ko. Kaya lang, lang ako kasi nga, pag sanay nga ako na every 15 days na may pumapasok sa bank ko na money from the company. Kaya, siguro pag gagawin ko yung freelance, mag-focus ako
Thanks.
doon, baka yung income ko, hindi, yun din medyo ako kasi nga, natatakot akong iwanan niya sa corporate world kasi, na yun alam na natin na darating talaga yung every 15 days. So, kung
Yeah,
mag-focus
fixed.
ako dun sa business ko with freelance, pag wala akong kita, wala talagang allowance, wala talagang income, wala talagang money. Kaya hindi ko mabitiwan yung corporate world ko. Pero gusto ko na talagang tumigil this year kasi ang contract ko doon yung until March. So,
Okay.
kaya sabi ko, galingan self, kinakausap ko self, galingan natin self para makauwi na tayo dito sa bahay. Until March, kailangan mag-focus tayo. Kinakausap ko yung self ko para hindi na tayo relocate. So, ganun.
Yeah.
Pero, yun nga, yung pa rin, limiting, yung belief pa rin ba? Pero, alam ko, I can do this with your help. Thank you.
Absolutely, yes. Again, it's all about what priorities do you have ahead of you. Is your priority your business? Is it freelancing? But in your case, since you have a fixed 15 days salary, um, wag mo muna bitawan agad yun hanggat hindi ka pa nakakakuha ng stable freelancing work. Um, yeah. So, yun lang. Yeah,
How about time, sis? Subukan mo. Alam mo, may nagtanong niya kay Chiquita last Friday.
Oo. Ano naman si Coach Chinky naman sinasabi naman niya.
You know what?
Ano nga ba yun? Don't kill the goose. Yun, sinasabi niya, diba?
He's earning 6 digits, ha? Ano siya, retire. Yung may nagtanong na babae, may edad na, pa-retire na siya, 6 digits, pero nangihinayang siya. So, ang tanong niya kay Chiquita noon, 6 digits ha, imagine, siguro, parang malakas ang position noon. Sabi niya, gusto na niya rin mag-business. Kasi syempre, energy level niya, pero nangihinayang daw siya sa kita niya kasi 6 digits na. So, ano ba, yung business na gusto niya, tanong kay Chiquita, ano ba yung gusto mong business? Ano may knowledge ka ba doon? Ngayon kung hindi, huwag kang mag-aalam ng more than 10 or 20% na ano doon, na capital. Mga gano'n. Kasi kahit naman sino, mamihinay. Kasi ako at the moment, yung kinikita ko as a permanent, nakukuha ko din siya kahit na freelance ako eh. Siyempre, I need to check my budget din, yung finances ko, kasi paying bills. So, siguro, kung kaya mo, Susan, na si part-time, I don't know, kasi dito kasi sa UK may tawag kami mga part-time staff o bank staff.
Yeah.
Na ako dalawa yung trabaho ko, part-time caregiver, tapos sa hospital. So, nakakaya ko yun. Kahit pa paano nakakasustain ako dun sa mga bills ko. I don't know sa Japan kasi kung dapat
you can call that yung trabaho mo ngayon na freelancer, yung ginagawa.
Freelancer.
Yes.
Okay.
For a couple of years na. Kasi
Okay.
ako eh.
Actually, meron din naman, gusto ko nga siguro kung babalik ako dito, titigil ako doon, babalik ako dito sa bahay, babalik ako sa hospital. Ayoko na rin yung night shift eh.
Kasi
talaga
pag hindi
yung
tayo
sa night shift
gumawa,
talaga yung more than
pag hindi
16,
tayo
18
gumawa ng
hours.
action, walang mangyayari.
Yeah.
Yung sabi ko nga, di ba, syempre kanina, nung nakagraduate na sister ko wala ako enough money. 2 months ako sa Pilipinas, nag-graduate na ako. Nakakapag-graduate na ako. Resigned ako as permanent staff.
Yeah.
Hindi, parang, I don't know, because ako ipon, pero sabi ko, kailangan gawin ko to eh. Kailangan may mangyari. Kapag natakot ako, wala akong action na gagawin.
Ginawa.
Walang mangyari.
Walang mangyayari. Correct. That is correct.
Sabi ko, I'm surviving.
Actually, din, Miss Crystal, meron kasi akong kinukuha ngayon din, nag-aaral din ako ng about life coaching, and then, kung nag-aaral ako dun sa course na yun, life coaching, meditating coaching, ang dami kong pinag-aaralan din about coaching. And then, meron silang sa course na yun, meron kasi na pwede kang mag-go mo yung business, yung pinag-aaralan mo.
Okay.
Gusto ko siyang gawin, pero hindi pa, parang yung paano nga ba ito gagawin? Ganun ba? Kasi hindi na ako sa digital.
Hindi parang tech savvy. Yeah.
Yes. Paano kaya ito gagawin? Gustong-gusto ko siyang gawin. At saka, nagsasabi yung ko, subconscious mind. Nagsasabi yung conscious mind ko sa akin na, if you build it, they come. If you build it, they come. Palagi ko nga balik yun sa mind ko. If you build it, they come. They will come.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, ano ba ibig sabihin? Sabi ko, kailangan ko na siguro talaga siyang i-build ko. Paano ko siya paano ko siya
Execute.
simulan? Yung gano'n.
How to start.
Yes, paano ko siya execute? Yes, sabi ko gano'n. Gusto ko siyang gawin. Paano ko siya execute? Kaya yun, kulang lack of knowledge. Kailangan ko talaga ng more knowledge.
Yeah.
Fine.
So, at the end of the day, siguro, first off is to invest in yourself with skills, with knowledge. Take action, of course, after that. Kasi you can attend a 3-week seminar or training program, but after that, kapag tinamad na tayo, wala din mangyayari. That is really true. Kasi maraming din ganyan. They stay stagnant there, na parang, wait, parang hindi ko kaya. But we have to change that mindset into, no, if others can do this, I can do this myself too. I'm gonna stand up, and I'm gonna commit to this. Kasi di ba may goal ako? In 1 to 2 years, I want to put up this business. I don't want to be, a slave. I don't want to be serving all the time. I want to have my own business. Again, it's all about choice. So, again, identifying what you can offer, which is your skills. And ano ba yung passion mo? Saan ka ba mahilig? It's Ma'am Ellen who mentioned earlier, nandun siya sa customer, nandun siya sa, organization
Yeah,
skills.
organizational skills.
For Ma'am
Organizational
Susan
skills.
naman, you're more into serving, helping. So you can go into a coach role, 'di ba? Meron kasi tayong ganon. You can be a leadership team, which is what you're doing now for Searching Keys. So, pasok ka sa VA agency, whether local or international. And then, if they have an open position for a coach, a growth and development coach, let's say, which are working closely with virtual assistants. And what you need to do is you have to set them up for success. Making sure that, lahat ng ginagawa nila for clients, they're in the right path, and making sure that they hit their KPIs, their targets. Ganun siya.
Yeah. So, ano may offer mo sa amin, Crystal?
Yes, so first of all,
I know we can do that with your help.
Yeah!
Thank you so
You
much.
need to guide us. You're younger than us.
Diyos ko
You've
po,
got more
mag-open tayo ng Diyos ko po, parang kailangan natin mag-start ng community dito. But yes, for aspiring VAs, yes,
Yeah.
sharing what you know, your skills, sobrang masarap sa pakiramdam that you get to help
Kasi
other
yun nga,
people.
For the past few days nga, kayo ko contemplates, I'm writing down my strengths and weaknesses, may negotiable, because I need to do something, because hindi pwedeng stuck ako, kasi basta, I feel stuck kasi kailangan ko ng may mangyari. Actually, happy ako kasi 1 month na ako nag-exercise for 15 minutes kahit gabi. At nabawasan ako ng 1.5 kilo. So, sabi ko, kaya ko pala May result
Yeah.
pa. May positive results. So, kaya ko. Kailangan ko lang consistent, focus, and committed.
Commitment,
So,
talaga. Number one yan.
Crystal, what can you advise? Maganda. Gusto ko yung sinabi mo na we can search with the virtual assistants, like example, yung mga need coaching, yung mga ganon.
Yes. I'm actually gonna discuss that. So if you guys can maybe record this session if you want to in your own devices, or maybe take a pen and a paper, and just note things down as we discuss. Yeah. And then maybe siguro our next session would be more formal na with the presentation and so on. So, of course, building your portfolio, building your online presence is important. So you want to start with signing up or creating your, let's say, your LinkedIn account, your
I got
Upwork.
it.
I know. I can see that you're already ready na for Ma'am Ellen. Si Ma'am Susan naman, we need to start doing this as soon as possible. If you think it's kind of overwhelming at the beginning, do it baby steps lang. So in your Google Calendar, to make you more organized, you can do on Monday, I'm gonna set up my LinkedIn. Just a lot, 2 to 3 hours, or maybe 1 to 2 hours na maisisingit mo dun sa araw na yun. From Mondays to Sundays, allot it in your Google Calendar. That's what makes you organized, including your tasks, personal, work. So LinkedIn website, you need to make sure that it's optimized. Put in your resume, update your resume, and again, if you want to know how to optimize all of these, it's all on YouTube, right? You just have to type in the correct keywords. ChatGPT will also help you with that. Gemini, AIs will do that. Again, the answers are all online. So we need to first build our portfolio. What do we include there? Of course, your previous experiences. Kahit hindi sa freelancing. In Ma'am Ellen's case, nurse, nutritionist. So you want to add those experiences dun sa portfolio mo. It can be a website. What are the testimonials? Have you worked for a client for free? If so, did you get their feedback? Include it there. Because clients needs to see this. They want to see the visuals. You can use Canva for making your portfolio. Yeah.
Can you guide me, Miss Crystal? Can you guide us how to do that in our
Portfolio.
Canva or our
Um,
portfolio?
I personally don't have like a standard portfolio myself. Ang ginagawa ko is may LinkedIn ako, may Upwork, may Online Jobs PH. These are basically platforms where clients and aspiring VAs meet. So,
Excuse me, your call ends a minute. Maputol ba ito?
let me extend the call, yeah? Okay, got it.
Thank you.
There you go. Let me know. Oh yeah, it is gonna end. But I think we can always extend, or let me just give you a new link na lang. Okay. Yeah. Let me just create a new one and then we'll continue from there. Okay?